G'day, I'm Caroline, and today we're going to look at how to operate an excavator. Excavators are quite versatile machines, and while they're primarily used for digging, they can also be used with a variety of attachments. Today, we're looking at the Kubota 1.8 tonne model. You don't need a special license to operate excavators on your property. And machines like this one are ideal for small to medium projects like landscaping or digging trenches for cables, foundations and pipes. For commercial sites, however, you may need to prove competency. So check with your safety officer about what certificates, if any, you may require. A couple of business days before you start to dig, call the free Dial Before You Dig service on 1100 in Australia or in New Zealand before you dig on 0800 248 344. This service connects you with asset owners such as sewage and electricity companies who then forward you plans showing the approximate locations of underground infrastructure. You can also hire a pipe locator or a ground penetrating radar machine to determine the exact position of pipes. Your Kennards Hire branch team will show you how to operate the machine and answer any questions that you have before you take delivery. Also, use this QR code on the machine, which has a variety of resources, including an operator manual, for tips on safety. This is Derek. Hi.
Hi.
And Derek is going to show us how to operate the excavator. Now, as you can see, Derek's wearing the kind of safety gear that we recommend for this kind of work.
When you're using the machine, keep an eye out for people and animals. Make sure they're well clear. Also, you need to be aware of your surroundings as far as buildings, power lines, that type of thing. When you enter or exit the cab, make sure you always have 3 points of contact, using the handrails at all times. When you're in the cab, make sure you're wearing your seatbelt.
Start the excavator. At the moment, the lock lever is up. This means the machine will not function. Only after you lower the lock lever will the controls become live. These levers control the boom. When you pull back on this right lever, the boom will come up. Pull back on the other one and the boom moves towards you. To curl the bucket, move the right-hand lever to the right. To uncurl it, move it to the left. Pushing the left-hand lever to the side makes the machine do a complete rotation. This is also known as slewing. These travel sticks operate the tracks of the excavator and allow you to move in a straight line or turn the vehicle. The excavator has tracks, and pushing the left stick forward starts the track moving, turning the machine to the right. Pushing the right stick turns the machine left. Pushing both sticks together moves it forward. This lever operates the blade that can be used for levelling a surface. It can be lowered to give you more stability when digging. This one controls the track width. We recommend the tracks are all the way out during use, as the unit which can be used with the tracks brought in can become unstable, especially when slewing or going up slight inclines. There are also 2 foot pedals. One controls the boom, the other the attachment. Now that you know the basic movements, you can start digging. Make sure that you position the teeth of the bucket vertically so that they force into the ground. As you move the boom towards you, curl the bucket to retain the spoil. Make sure you don't dig yourself into a corner, making it impossible to get the excavator out of the work site. One thing you need to remember is that once you've dug the hole, you need to dispose the contents known as the spoil. Now you can create a spoil pile like this to be removed later, or you can drop the spoil directly into a dumper to carry it away. Talk to your local Kennards Hire branch about which method is best for your project. To remove the bucket, have the bucket slightly off the ground. Turn the excavator off and remove the safety pin and bucket pin, making sure your feet are clear of the bucket. Turn the excavator back on and slowly drop the arm down, then curve the bucket away from the machine to detach. Once the bucket is clear, move the boom over to the bucket you want to attach, then move the boom down to the bucket to hook to the attachment. Once hooked in and slightly off the ground, turn the excavator off, add your pins, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching our guide to using an excavator. These machines are not that difficult to use, as long as you put safety first and plan carefully before you start. If you need any more information about excavators or earth movers, the team at Kennards Hire are happy to help you with any questions that you have. See you later. While operating machinery, we recommend using the necessary safety gear, all of which each Kennards Hire branch has in stock. Follow all safety instructions Kennards Hire staff give you and always refer to the operator's instructions before operating. Instructions are available on the Kennards website or simply ask at your local branch.
Kennards make your job easy.